All right, the directions for this were just plain simplify, which means reduce if you can. So I guess I suggest factor first. Well, the top's kind of hard to factor, but the bottom is pretty easy to factor. You know what that factors to? How about this? X plus 1, x plus 2. So what I could do is use synthetic with these to divide into that to get some factors. And then we'll have, if these divide into that, then we'll know that they're factors. And maybe we can figure out what to put in those parentheses for factors. So here we go. If that's a factor, set it equal to 0. So I'm going to use -1 for my first round of synthetic. I'm going to put these numbers across the top. 1, 6, 11, 6. You with me there? And do I need a 0? Oh yeah, because you need a placeholder for everything. 4th, 3rd, 2nd, 1, and then nothing. So if I know -1 is a factor, I know that I'm going to get 0 at the end. So let's hope things work out. Bring down the 1. 1 times -1, -1, 5. 1 times 5 is -5. What's -5 plus 11? 6. -1 times 6 is -6. Add, I get 0. -1 times 0 is 0. So I get 0 at the end. All right. So we know that x plus 1 is one of the factors of this. Let's try x plus 2 equals 0. So that means -2 here. So we're going to do synthetic one more time. And this time, all right, the end is going to be here because that was the first end. All right, here we go. Bring down the 1. -2 times 1, -2, add, I get 3. -2 times 3, -6, add, I get 0. And -2 times 0, 0 at the end. So -2 is a factor. So that means that x plus 2 also goes here. How can I get this? How can I put the x's in here to get what expression this is to go here? Anyone know? Sure you do. This was an x to the 4th. This is an x to the 3rd. So what's this? X squared. Right. So this is 1x squared plus 3x plus 0. So, x squared plus 3x can go there in that parenthesis. Are you with me so far? And there I have the thing pretty much simplified. I'm going to reduce these, and so the final answer is x squared plus 3x, but you have to put the exclusions that x cannot equal -1 and x cannot equal -2. Because of those, they disappear out of the final equation. So if I list this as my final answer, I need to also put those exclusions, or I could list the unreduced thing as the final answer, but the direction said simplify. So there you go.